Good evening, and thank you so much for this opportunity to be interviewed with NBC News. It is truly an honor. My name is Claudia Marie White, and I am a pediatrician. These last few years of hard work and commitment to improving our world have finally paid off, and I am so happy to be able to share with everyone the new information that I have and how I came to be in this position. As a pediatrician, my main priority is children's health and making sure parents have the right tools to take the best possible care of them. With the opening of my new private practice, I am able to fully take the reins creatively. My love for children truly blossomed after I had my son, Adrian. This experience really opened me up to see how scary and stressful being a parent can be, and the constant worry that you're not doing the absolute best for your child. After I had Adrian, I was inspired to go to college and begin my academic journey to provide a better life for myself and for him. I began at Valencia College in 2018 and graduated with my associate's degree in general studies in 2020. My time at Valencia College was wonderful. I had something called Florida Prepaid Program, where my mother had prepaid for my college when I was still a baby. So I was really able to focus on my academics and not have to worry too much about how to pay for college, which is a very common issue for many college students. Another factor that really helped me in this time were the tutors in the tutor center, which is a fantastic perk of being a Valencia College student. Free tutors any class that you take. After getting my associate's degree, I went on to the University of Central Florida, where I received my bachelor's degree in biomedical sciences and graduated in 2023. These years were extremely trying, and there were often times I felt like giving up. What truly kept me focused in my goal is joining the Campus Faith and Ministries group. This is an on-campus, non-denominational group that works in supporting students and teachers alike. The years I spent at UCF to earn my bachelor's degree was roughly $24,000 in tuitions, books, and other school-related expenses. I qualified for the Pell Grant at this time, and this paid for a portion of my academic fees, and my Florida prepaid paid for the remaining balance. Finally, I attended medical school. I went to the University of Florida College of Medicine and graduated with a doctorate in biomedical sciences with a concentration on pediatrics and immunology, and I graduated in 2026. During this time, I also began my internship with Advent Health. After graduation, I began full-time with Advent Health at the Florida Hospital in Orlando, primarily in the pediatric emergency and urgent care unit and surgical units. I began to really analyze what my purpose is and what I would like to achieve with this education. I had access to other like-minded healthcare professionals and a lot of goals. My purpose was to use the talent of futuristic thinking and intellection to contribute to children's lives, educating them on growth, knowledge, and happiness. Something I really value is achievement. Not necessarily personal achievement, although that is always fun and amazing, but also achievements that will make a huge impact on the lives of others in a very positive way. One of my main strengths that has always pushed me to strive for this achievement is my sense of competition. Competition within myself to always be better than how I used to be is something that really, in my opinion, has been a driving reason that I have been able to achieve so many of these goals and set even more. This leads me to another one of my strengths that has helped me stay positive and work hard, and being a futuristic thinker. When you are able to really focus on what needs to be done in order to have the best future possible, it is easy to push yourself to do better. My purpose statement, coupled with my interest and core values, inspired me to become a pediatrician. In order to be a pediatrician, one must have very good communication skills. We are in a position sometimes where you may have to explain something very serious or complicated to a concerned parent or worried child, and what you say and how you say it can have a huge impact on their views of the results. Another personality trait that will help you a lot in pediatrics is being able to critically think. There are times, especially when I was working in the emergency pediatric unit, that you need to make serious decisions very quickly. It can be very scary because it is such a huge responsibility, but if you are able to relax and really analyze the situation, you can make a huge difference to your staff and to the patient. In contrast to my time working in the emergency unit, working in my own private practice is a much different setting. It's very relaxed. I am able to build and establish relationships with my patients and their families. Developing some kind of trust in these relationships is important so they can feel comfortable enough to tell you anything they may need to tell you in regards to their health. My day-to-day work is different every day, but usually involves seeing patients, ordering and analyzing tests, and forming treatment plans for my patients. I also work very closely with a physician assistant and nurses who help me take care of my patients and execute these treatment plans. Children are our future, and it is critical that we take the best care possible of them and teach them how to live their best lives. Thank you again for having me, and I hope truly that I have inspired or helped and answered questions about being a pediatrician.